Let's we see the different types of thermocouples. Friends, if you like this video, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so next time you see my video first. As per the different combination of metals, thermocouples are divided into two sections. One is base metal thermocouples and second is noble metal thermocouples. The most common are the base metal thermocouples known as K-type, J-type, T-type, E-type and N-type. And for the high temperature calibrations, use noble metal thermocouples known as the P-type, R-type and S-types. Then let's see first base metal thermocouples means K-type, J-type, T-type, E-type and N-type thermocouples. Here we see the metal material combination of thermocouples, polarity and wire color coding as per the ANSI standard, temperature range, sensitivity, accuracy and error and basic information for all thermocouples. Let's first we see the K-type thermocouples. For K-type thermocouple, chromal and aluminum metal wires are used. Here chromal wire is a nickel chromium alloy, usually consists of 90% nickel and 10% chromium. And aluminum wire is a nickel, aluminum, manganese and silicon alloy, usually consists of 95% nickel, 2% aluminum, 2% manganese and 1% silicon. Chromal wire is acting as a positive wire and aluminum wire is acting as a negative wire. Friends, here we have one good news for identifying the different types of thermocouples, that the thermocouples wires are color coded for easier recognition. But with this good news, we have one bad news also, that there are many different types of standards for the color codes and they are differ from each other. But out of these all standards, there are two main standards. One is IEC for international level and second is ANSI, the American National Standards Institute for United States level. Here we are used and discuss only ANSI standards color coding. So as per the ANSI standards, the chromal wire is a yellow color wire and aluminum wire is a red color wire. K-type thermocouple sensitivity is a 41 microvolt per degree Celsius and its temperature range is -200 degrees Celsius to 1260 degrees Celsius. K-type thermocouple's accuracy is ±2.2 degrees Celsius or ±0.75%. Whichever is greater, we consider that one. Spatial limit error is ±1.1 degrees Celsius or 0.4%. The K-type thermocouple is most common type of thermocouple. It is inexpensive, accurate, reliable and it has a wide temperature range. Next, J-type thermocouple. For J-type thermocouples, iron and constantan metal wires are used. Here, constantan is a copper and nickel alloy, usually consisting of 55% copper and 45% nickel. Here, iron acting as a positive wire and constantan wire acting as a negative wire. As per the ANSI standards, iron wire is a white color wire and constantan wire is a red color wire. J-type thermocouple sensitivity is of approximately 50 microvolt per degree Celsius and its temperature range is -210 degrees Celsius to 760 degrees Celsius and its accuracy is ±2.2 degrees Celsius or ±0.75. Whichever is greater, we consider that one. And spatial limit error is ±1.1 degrees Celsius or 0.4%. J-type is also very common. It has a smaller temperature range. It is equivalent to K-type in terms of expense and reliability. Next, T-type thermocouple. For T-type thermocouple, copper and constantan metal wires are used. Here, copper acting as a positive wire and constantan acting as a negative wires. As per the ANSI standards, copper wire is a blue color wire and constantan wire is a red color wire. The T-type thermocouple sensitivity is approximately 43 microvolt per degree Celsius and its temperature range is -269 degrees Celsius to 371 degrees Celsius. And its accuracy is ±1 degree Celsius or 0.75%. And its spatial limit error is ±0.5 degrees Celsius or 0.4%. The T-type is very stable thermocouple and it is often used in extremely low temperature applications such as cryogenic and ultra low freezers are its example. It is found in other laboratories environmental as well. The T-type has excellent repeatability between -200 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius. Next, E-type thermocouple. For E-type thermocouple, nickel, chromium and constant metal wires are used. Here, in one wire, nickel chromium wire acting as a positive wire and the other wire, constant wire, acting as a negative wire. As per the ANSI standards, nickel chromium wire is a violet color wire and constant wire is a red color wire. E-type thermocouple sensitivity is approximately 68 microvolt per degree Celsius. As compared to other thermocouples, E-type thermocouple has highest sensitivity, and E-type thermocouple temperature range is minus 270 degrees Celsius to 870 degrees Celsius, and its accuracy is plus or minus 1.7 degrees Celsius or plus or minus 0.5 percentage. Whichever is greater, we consider that one. And spatial limit of error is plus or minus 1.1 degrees Celsius or 0.4 percentage. The E-type has a stronger signal and higher accuracy than K-type and J-type thermocouples at moderate temperature range of 1000 degree Fahrenheit and lower. The E-type is also more stable than K-type. Next, N-type thermocouple. For N-type thermocouple, nicrosyl and nisyl metal wires are used. Here, nicrosyl acting as a positive wire and nisyl acting as a negative wire. As per the ANSI standards, nicrosyl wire is orange color wire and nisyl wire is a red color wire. N-type thermocouple sensitivity is approximately 39 microvolt per degree Celsius and its temperature range is minus 270 degrees Celsius to 1300 degrees Celsius. N-type thermocouple's accuracy is plus or minus 2.2 degrees Celsius or plus or minus 0.75 percentage. Whichever is greater, we consider that one. And the spatial limit of error is plus or minus 1.1 degrees Celsius or 0.4 percentage. The N-type has the same accuracy and temperature limits as the K-type thermocouples, but the N-type is slightly more expensive. Now we see the noble metal thermocouples. Next, B-type thermocouple. For B-type thermocouple, one wire consists of platinum 70%, rhodium 30%, and the other wire is consists of platinum 94% and rhodium 6%. Here, one wire which consists of platinum 70%, rhodium 30% alloy acting as a positive wire, and the other wire which consists of platinum 94%, rhodium 6% acting as a negative wire. As per the ANSI standards, the positive wire is a grey color wire and the negative wire is a red color wire. B-type thermocouple sensitivity is approximately 2 to 10 microwatt per degree Celsius. B-type thermocouple temperature range is 0 degrees Celsius to 1700 degrees Celsius and its accuracy is plus or minus 0.5 percentage and spatial error limit is plus or minus 0.25 percentage. B-type thermocouple is used in extremely high temperature applications. It has the highest temperature limit of all of the thermocouples we discussed before. It maintains the high level of accuracy and stability at very high temperatures. The B-type has a lower output than the other noble metal thermocouples R-type and S-types at the temperatures below 600 degrees Celsius. B-type thermocouples output does not change between 0 degrees Celsius and 42 degrees Celsius, meaning that it is unsuitable for measuring the temperature near this range. We recommended B-type thermocouples are only used for measuring above 200 degrees Celsius. Next, S-type thermocouples. For S-type thermocouple, one wire consists of 90% platinum, rhodium 10% and other wire is a platinum wire. Here, one wire which consists of platinum 90%, rhodium 10% alloy acting as a positive wire and the other wire which is platinum acting as a negative wire. As per the ANSI standards, the positive wire is a black color wire and negative wire is a red color wire. S-type thermocouple sensitivity is approximately 2 to 10 microvolt per degree Celsius and its temperature range is 0 degrees Celsius to 1600 degrees Celsius and its accuracy is plus or minus 1.5 degrees Celsius or plus or minus 0.25 percentage. Whichever is greater, we consider that one, and its spatial limit error is plus or minus 0.6 degrees Celsius or plus or minus 0.1 percentage. The S-type is used in very high temperature application. It is commonly found in the biotech and pharmaceutical industries. It is sometimes used in lower temperature applications because of its high accuracy and stability. The S-type thermocouple is often used with a ceramic protection tube. Next, R-type thermocouple. For R-type thermocouple, one wire consists of platinum 87%, rhodium 13% and the other wire is a platinum wire. Here, one wire which consists of platinum 87%, rhodium 13% alloy acting as a positive wire and the other wire which is platinum acting as a negative wire. As per the ANSI standards, the positive wire is a black color and the negative wire is a red color. R-type thermocouple sensitivity is approximately 2 to 10 microvolt per degree Celsius, and its temperature range is 0 degrees Celsius to 1600 degrees Celsius, and its accuracy is plus or minus 1.5 degrees Celsius or plus or minus 0.25 percentage. Whichever is greater, we consider that one. And spatial limit error is plus or minus 0.6 degrees Celsius or 0.1 percentage. The R-type thermocouple is used in very high temperature applications. It has a higher percentage of rhodium. That's why this thermocouple is expensive as compared to the S-type thermocouples. The R-type is very similar to the S-types in terms of performance. It is sometimes used in lower temperature applications because of its high accuracy and stability. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can see my videos first. Thank you.